Welcome to the Parsimony tutorial on the accounting function. In this video, we will focus on the financial statements, specifically on the cash flow tool. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently generate and analyze the cash flow statement using the Parsimony system. Once you've logged into Parsimony, click on the accounting module to access various accounting functions. In the financial statement section, you'll find a range of tools to manage and analyze your financial data. To access the cash flow tool, click on the cash flow option. The cash flow table provides a detailed summary of your company's cash inflows and outflows over a specific period. The first section displays your company's cash flows from operating activities, which include cash receipts and payments from regular business operations. The second section shows your company's cash flows from investing activities, such as cash spent on acquiring or selling assets. The third section represents your company's cash flows from financing activities, which include cash transactions with owners and creditors. You can use filters to customize the cash flow statement, such as selecting a specific period or comparing with previous periods. To export the cash flow or print it for your records, you can use the export and print options. For more detailed analysis and advanced reporting, access detailed reports for specific cash flow activities. Congratulations! You've learned how to generate and analyze the cash flow statement using the cash flow tool in Parsimony. Now, you can confidently track your company's cash inflows and outflows, gain insights into your financial activities, and plan for a prosperous future. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting!